H to the O. Do no no no. H to the O. Bing. Hey guys, it's Holly back with another video. And today I'm going to be teaching you how to make a chatterbox. Yeah. So what you need is any piece of paper, but I have an A4 sized. And what you will be needing for this is some scissors, your hands, and colours if you want. So you basically just need paper and scissors. Okay, so what you need to do is get your paper and fold it into a square. So I'm just going to quickly do it. Like so. Okay, so now it's like this. I want you to fold this down like that. You don't have to do that, but now we're going to cut off this axis. So cut it up. It's off. And don't forget to pause the video if I'm too slow. Okay, so now it's into this square. Now you know how there's a big crease there? You'll have to put this one down there to make an X with the creases. Okay, so now it's like an X. So this is, okay, so what I need you to do, just gotta put this down. Okay, so now we have this. You gotta get this piece and put it there in the middle of here. Now if you get a little stuck, you can get a pencil or a pen and just do a little dot in the middle just to make you know that it goes there. Okay, like that. Now the next piece into the middle, and it would be doing that with everyone. Okay, get the other piece and so on. Another piece. Like so. Okay, so now it's like this. And as you see, all the pages flipping out here. So where that thing there, I want you to put it on the floor. So now as a cross. Now I want you to do the same step. And the reason why I wanted you to fold it how I did in the first step, see? Now there's a square here, just to fold it. So I'm going to get my pencil again, do a little dot just so I know. And let's do it again. Now this, when it starts to get a little tricky, because you just, more paper on it, and, you know, it gets a little tricky. Okay. Okay, now this part is tricky. So you can ask your parents to help you with this, but you might be fine. So you gotta, this is the easiest way that I do it. So you know how this is flipping out? You fold it where that is. Fold it like this. I mean the other way, sorry. Like that. So now it's like a weird little thing in there. So I want you to get your fingers in there. and I want you to get get this all the way in and fold it like that. Ta-da! You got your chatterbox. It's so cool. Ta-da! So now what you can do, you can get your colours. So I'm going to choose my colours. I think I'm going to get, let's do pink. Let's do yellow. Green. And blue. Okay, so now what you can do, so if you don't know how a chatterbox works, so you can have a colour, and let's say I picked blue, B-L-U-E, and when it goes there, there'll be numbers, and then say pick a number, example 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, pick another number, like let's do 8, then you'll open it up like this, and you'll have like a dare or like a message or something. Okay, so yeah. Now, if you guys want to do it by yourself and not see how I do it, you can click the video now. But I'm just going to quickly do the colours and see how it guys works out. So yeah. And if you don't know how to put the colours on, you can just put it and just fold it back like that. And now you just write your colours on there. So I will start with pink first. Pink. Like that. You don't have to do it like that, but I think that's just the easiest way. Yellow. Y-E-L-L-O-W. Yellow. Green. Oh, it's just fluoro. Green. That's okay. Green and blue. And blue. So after when you finish doing your colours, you can go to the back and like this, and you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You got one, like write it. So I'm gonna use what color? I'm gonna use black, just so it's most noticeable. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after when you wrote your numbers, you could either do a line in the middle and write separate things for separate numbers, or you can just do 4 of them. You can do you can do insults, you can do like nice messages, dares, anything. Like play again. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. But I'm going to quickly, I'm going to fold this very slowly. I'll be right back. I need to go and get something. Be right back. Later. Sorry, I was just testing that out. Comment down below if you think that was good. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope I taught you how to make a chatterbox sound. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want, and dislike, I don't really care because I don't take it in any offense because that's just your opinion and it's very cringy. So, bye guys, and out.